Let's solve this integral problem step by step. We need to find what a plus b plus c equals when the integral of x squared plus 5x minus 1 over square root of x equals ax to the 5 halves plus bx to the 3 halves plus c times square root of x plus k. First, let's simplify the integrand by rewriting each term divided by square root of x. When we divide x squared by square root of x, we get x to the 3 halves. When we divide 5x by square root of x, we get 5x to the 1 half. And when we divide negative 1 by square root of x, we get negative x to the negative 1 half. Now, let's integrate each term separately. For x to the 3 halves, we add 1 to the exponent and divide by this new exponent. This gives us 2/5 x to the 5 halves. For 5x to the 1 half, we get 10/3 x to the 3 halves. And for negative x to the negative 1 half, we get negative 2 times square root of x. Combining these results, we get 2/5 x to the 5 halves plus 10/3 x to the 3 halves minus 2 square root of x plus k. Comparing this to our original right-hand side, we can identify that it equals 2/5, b equals 10/3, and c equals negative 2. Now we can find a plus b plus c. Adding these fractions with a common denominator of 15, we get 6/15 plus 50/15 minus 30/15. This simplifies to 26/15. Therefore, the value of a plus b plus c is 26/15.